They say that wherever the earth still smells of rain, leaf, and living soil, tiny guardians live where human eyes rarely look.
Smaller than a handful of berries.
Lighter than a petal,
and faithful as the roots beneath every green and growing thing.
Okay, graceful landing tomorrow.
That's for tonight.
It's still safe. I'm guarding it from hunger.
If you protect everything like that, there'll be nothing left by sunset.
You worry too much.
That's because wood, water, and walls don't fix themselves.
Tonight's the Dew Festival. I can feel it. Something exciting is going to happen.
For you, wind counts as exciting.
And for you, a straight piece of bark counts as a miracle.
Tonight, we honor the breath of the forest.
The lantern! It should not fade tonight.
The northern moss beds are losing water. The root spring is failing.
I saw markers near the northern edge. Human markers. If the ground looks dead by morning, they'll clear it. I'll go. I'm coming too. He has no wings. The spring runs under root and stone. If it's blocked, someone has to read the ground.
Speed without thought can lose the way. Caution without courage can lose the hour. Go together. Find the spring before dawn.
This way! It's shorter from above.
Shorter doesn't always mean safer.
And safer doesn't always get us there in time.
Listen.
Oh. The water's weaker here. I don't hear anything.
That's because you're hearing your own wings.
Rimo! Rimo!
Stop moving!
Not helping!
If you fight it, it tightens. Breathe. Stay still. You saved me. You can repay me by waiting 2 seconds before charging ahead.
2.5.
This is it.
What is this thing? Something from the human world. To them, probably nothing. To us, a gate. If we pull too hard, the whole wall may collapse. We need leverage below and tension from above.
So tell me what you need.
Web thread, more light, and help moving the branches.
I'll be fast.
Be careful.
Spark, wake up! If this is another sunset emergency, I refuse to glow before moonrise.
The forest is thirsty.
Well, why didn't you say so?
Hold, don't fail me now.
I brought light, thread, and muscle.
And excellent commentary. Good. We do this now. On my count. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You can't do this alone.
I know.
Good. Because neither can I.
Together.
Together.
And now comes the getting very wet part. Oh!
We did it.
No, the forest did. We just listened.
It's brighter. The spring is singing again.
Tonight, the forest was saved by two kinds of courage: eyes that saw the sky and hands that understood the ground. No wing finds its way without roots. No root reaches light without dream.
I thought being a guardian meant flying faster than everyone else.
And I thought without wings, I'd only ever follow.
Looks like we were both wrong.
Some paths need one heart in the sky and one on the ground.
And one shining professional, obviously.
Humans think forests survive on rain alone, but sometimes they survive because someone small hears the thirst in the roots.